If you're looking for a simple, affordable proxy solution and you keep hearing about IPcook, this video will save you a lot of time and probably some money. Today, I'm walking you through IPcook.com, showing you exactly how it works, how the pricing really looks, and how to actually use the proxies without getting lost in dashboards or confusing settings. Quick disclaimer before we continue. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling this product. I'm breaking it down so you don't get misled or waste money on tools you don't understand. Now, once you land on IPcook's website, you'll notice they focus on fast proxies, flexible pricing, and multiple use cases, like social media, e-commerce, and web scraping. Signing up is straightforward: email, password, or Google, and they even give you free traffic to test things out. But to actually run proxies properly, you'll need to fund your account, and that's where most beginners get confused. Inside the dashboard, everything revolves around balance, traffic, and control. You top up your account with crypto or local payment options, choose how much you want to load, and once that's done, you're ready to purchase proxies. IPcook offers residential, ISP, and data center proxies, but residential is what most people want for accounts, scraping, or automation. Pricing scales depending on volume, meaning the more traffic you buy, the cheaper it gets per gigabyte. After purchasing traffic, you don't just get an IP, you create sub-accounts to control usage, assign traffic limits, and keep things organized. This is important because sub-accounts act as your proxy login credentials. Once that's set, you choose your country, city, protocol, and IP rotation style. Sticky sessions keep your IP stable, while rotating options switch automatically. The setup looks technical, but once you understand the flow, it's actually very controlled and beginner-friendly. To actually use the proxy, you plug it into an anti-detect browser like BitBrowser, which lets you create isolated browser profiles with unique fingerprints. After pasting the proxy details, you can instantly test the connection and verify the IP location. When everything checks out, the browser profile launches with a clean IP, no leaks, and solid trust scores on detection tools. That's the entire workflow, from sign-up to live proxy usage, without guessing or breaking anything. Bottom line, IPcook gives you solid control, flexible pricing, and usable residential IPs if you know how to set it up correctly. If this video saved you time or confusion, hit the like button, subscribe for more breakdowns like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!